that.
Ubw'akakiiko k'ishengero k'enshonga za president kari kugenda omu maisho n'okucondoza aha nshonga z'amabaati ga Karamoja. Izooba rikabuganaho ba minisita barikugambwa kuba batungira amabaati agabire gagendereire kuheebwa abantu ba Karamoja barikubonaabona, kandi aba bagambira akakiiko ngu bakagakoresa omu muringo gutarikumanywa ngu ahabw'okuba amabaati gu bashabire tigo bahirwe.
You tried to talk to this honorable colleague of yours. Who have put you people in problems? Have you tried to ask her what was your intention?
Some of them I have not seen since the incident. And I have no appetite to look for them. No, I have no appetite. Because it seems either somebody was trying to implicate us so that our names are tarnished. It's terrible. I have never stolen anything in my life, including because our father says never steal. I have never stolen anything of anybody.
I indicated the number, and even in the letter that he wrote, in the heading, he said request for 300 iron sheets. So the number is indicated even in my request.
Minisita w'ihanga habwe bigwererezi arikugambaho n'akakiiko akanagira ngu bakatunga amabaati 50 kandi bakagabagana nk'abakazi barikukurira ekyanga kya Karamoja bitu ngu bakagagaba batari kugendera aha rukaru rwakozirwe division commander ngu bitu nibaza kuhinduramu okureeba ngu gaheebwa bagashemerere.
A consensus was brought in the meeting by the members of Parliament of Karamoja and the Prime Minister and Minister for Karamoja Affairs that some iron sheets should be given to the members of Parliament and LC5s of Karamoja. In this letter that I received from the committee, they have asked me the circumstances. So that is one of them, that there was a meeting that we had members of Parliament from Karamoja, that part of the iron sheets procured from the 39 billion shillings should be given to the leaders, that is the members of Parliament and the LC5s.
And we Minister wa Defense yagambira akakiiko ngu akatunga amabaati omu muringo gu bataracengire ahakuba bakashaba amabaati agatari ga Karamoja kandi bwanyuma nukwe kwetwa abashuma.
Then subsequently it was distributed to two churches. One was the Mulanda Church of Uganda, 167 pieces, which has been roofed. Some black and white photographs are there. Another one is for Kiyei, 137 pieces. The acknowledgements, and they are also there.
I constructed a big shed wherein I put the breeding goats. The idea is that I multiply these goats because goats deliver 2 goats in 6 months. 2 goats. In a year, or slightly more, you get about 4 goats. So
boba mumbanye ishengero bagira ngo nibija kukora okucondoza kwabo rero bareeta ripota yabo omu ishengero. Gasha kwa Jime Muhumuza.